Good morning. Today day 2 at Kasol and we are at the same place. And now like we woke up at, I thought in the mountains it gets bright at, I thought in the mountain it gets bright at 5, but we are in the valley, so it became bright only at 7. So now it's like 7 o'clock and everyone else is still getting ready. Okay, so we're going to leave this Sanj camps now very soon and we're going to head to Tosh. And I heard that sometimes like Tosh is colder than where we are, so let's see what's going to be over there. This place has nice breakfast. Only one problem was that they didn't have water, like the water flow was very low in the toilet, and when we just came they didn't have electricity. So that was the only issue, otherwise the food was nice. But the view from this place is superb. This is the dining area and they gave us poha puri bhaji. So I don't know, most of the camps you go, you always land up getting poha. Started snowing, it started raining out over here now, and it's really cool. And we're hoping to get some snow at Tosh because there's rain here. We have come to Manikaran on our way at the Gurudwara. It's really out here. Oh, and the hot springs. So apparently before leaving Kasol we were trying the drone and the drone crashed somewhere. Now we're going to search for the drone. And in between we went to Manikaran, we went to the Gurudwara. My glass is fogging up, lens is fogging up. It's raining, it's drizzling from morning over here. It's 1 o'clock, we still have to go to Tosh and then we have to trek. I don't know how much trek and what. But now we are gone and we are hunting for the drone. Excuse my voice, it's gone. So walking, we have come to this beautiful bridge. Look at this. It's so pretty. So we were supposed to go to search for the drone, but then what happened is all of us didn't want to go. So only 2 of them are gone and the rest of us, we just waiting over here because we've seen this place and this place is like so nice and so beautiful. I don't know, like feels like we should set up a tent over here only. Like I think this is, I'm not sure, but I think this is Parvati river, Parvati valley, the whole thing. But look at this valley view. Taking back a souvenir from here. These pines are so cute. Okay, we did not get the drone back, so bad luck, and it's so sad that it's just the first day we used it and we lost the drone. Anyway, now we are going back to where we were supposed to go, heading towards Tosh.